Jesus, it's been that long since I posted my last video on my main channel. I need to think of an idea.
Not quite.
I can't actually think of any channel I want to do another one with.
And if you haven't prepared prawn before, this is like big, if you cut up that.
Not the best cooking tutorial I've seen. I think I know what to do. Time to make a better version of that video. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of LOL's Kitchen. Today I will be showing you of how to cook better ramen. Step 1. Prepare ingredients. Get out any ingredients you plan to put in your noodles and prepare them accordingly. Fill up a saucepan with water and boil it. Do it to just below halfway. For temperature's sake, I set my gas to the max. And this brings us to step 3. Wait for the water to boil. And whilst the water boils, you may want to continue preparing other ingredients. Step 4. Put the ingredients inside the saucepan in the descending order of required cooking time.
A few minutes later.
turn off the stove and enjoy. That is what I would be saying 3 years ago, but because we're cooking better ramen here, let's add some decorations such as spring onions and coriander. And that is how you cook better ramen. If you want, you can watch the original video right here, but otherwise, feel free to leave any feedback below this video, and I will see you guys later.